Students, we are doing revision of chapter 4 linear equations in two variables. Here I have taken question number 5. In earlier video we have discussed 4 questions. Now I will discuss about question number 5. It states that if x equal to 2k minus 1 and y is equal to k is the solution of the linear equation in two variable, which is your 3x minus 5y minus of 7 is equal to 0, find the value of k. So what shall we do? We put x equal to 2k minus 1, which is the given value, and y is equal to k, it is also given. In the linear equation 3x minus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. So we get 3 multiplied 2k minus 1 and minus of 5 multiplied by k and minus 7 is equal to 0. So it implies that 3 multiplied by 2k we get 6k, 3 multiplied by minus 1 we get minus 3, and minus of 5 when multiplied by k we get minus of 5k, and minus of 7 is equal to 0. So 6k minus 5k, you will get k only, and minus 3 and minus 7, they are like terms with same sign, so it will be minus 10. So k minus 10 is equal to 0, or when minus 10 will transpose to the right hand side, we get value of k is equal to 10. This will be the answer. Come to another question, question number 6. If the point a comma 2 lies on the graph of the linear equation 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0, find a. That means you have to find out the value of a. So since it is given that the point a comma 2 lies on the graph of the linear equation 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. So this point will satisfy the given linear equation. So we shall put x equal to a because a is your x coordinate, and y is equal to 2 because 2 is your y coordinate. In the linear equation 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. So what we get? 2 multiplied by a minus of 3 multiplied by 2 plus of 8 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by a, we get 2a, minus 3 multiplied by 2, we get minus 6, and plus of 8 is equal to 0. 2a as such, and 8 minus 6 is your plus of 2. So 2a plus 2 is equal to 0 will be the linear equation in variable a now. So we will transpose this plus 2 to the right hand side and we get minus of 2. So it implies that 2a will be equals to minus of 2, and therefore a will be minus of 2 upon 2. This 2 will be cross multiplied to the denominator of the right hand side. So we get minus 2 upon 2. On cancellation we get minus 1 as the value of a. This will be the answer. Now come to question number 7. Write two solutions of the form x equal to 0, y is equal to a, and x equal to b when y is equal to 0 for the linear equation 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So we have our linear equation as 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So first we put x equal to 0 in this equation, linear equation. So we get 5 multiplied by 0 minus of 2y is equal to 0 is equal to 10, sorry. So 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. So it implies that minus of 2y is equal to 10. So we need to find y. This minus 2 will transpose, will cross multiply to the denominator of the right hand side, and we get y is equal to 10 upon minus 2. On cancellation we get y value as minus 5. Now when we put y is equal to 0, we get 5 multiplied by x minus of 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 10. So 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. Here we get 5x equal to 10. Therefore x will be equal to 5x equal to 10 So therefore x will be equals to 10 upon 5. On cancellation, we get x equal to 2. So the two solutions are, we have represented in a tabular form. When we take the value of x as 0, the value of y is minus 5. And when we take y value as 0, then x value is found to be 2. These are the two solutions for the given linear equations. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.